Euro NCAP has revealed its best-in-class cars tested in 2025, highlighting the safest vehicles on sale in Europe, based on the most demanding safety protocols to date. Every model awarded best-in-class achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, excelling across 4 key areas: adult occupant protection, child occupant protection, vulnerable road users, and safety systems. The best performer of 2025 is the Mercedes-Benz CLA, named Best Overall Performer and Best Small Family Car. It achieved the highest weighted safety score of all vehicles tested, confirming Mercedes' leadership in both passive safety and advanced driver assistance. In the City and Super Mini category, the Mini Cooper E proved top-level safety in a compact electric car, combining strong crash protection with comprehensive standard ADAs. For families, Tesla dominates. The Tesla Model 3 takes the title for the best large family car, while the Model Y wins the best small SUV category, both scoring exceptionally well in child occupant protection and safety assist technologies, such as autonomous emergency braking and lane support. The large SUV category is led by the Smart No. 5, an electric SUV that impressed Euro NCAP with its structural performance and pedestrian protection systems. In the executive car segment, the Polestar 3 earns best-in-class recognition, showcasing advanced safety architecture, high-performance sensors, and robust occupant protection. Euro NCAP notes that 2025 was its busiest testing year ever, reflecting the rapid expansion of electric vehicles and increasingly sophisticated safety systems.